Learn about our service dog program. This photo collage shows the service dog team: Victoria Cavalier, Lisa Swenningson, Erin Behar, Stephanie Santos, Nicole Maples, and Suzanne Beta. The following photos show dogs with incarcerated trainers. That's because our dogs are trained in our prison training program. This program meets the increasing demands for service dogs while providing education, rehabilitation, and community improvement within the prison system. Our program places dogs with veterans, children with autism, and facilities like hospitals, schools, and courtrooms. The dogs in this program learn over 50 commands to help mitigate an array of needs, like nudge, feet, get it, squish, between, put, lap, wave, sit, down, and belly up. Thank you for your interest in Guide Dogs of America. For more information about our programs and services, visit guidedogsofamerica.org.